Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com AI for status updates and progress summaries, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Monday.com dashboard. Navigate to the board you want to update. Click on the Automations button located on the top right corner. Select Add New Automation from the drop-down menu. Choose Custom Automation to create a tailored solution. In the Automation Builder, click on the plus sign to add your first trigger. Select the trigger that best fits your needs, such as when status changes. Define the status change that will prompt the AI to provide updates. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus sign below the trigger. Choose Update an item as the action type. In the action settings, specify the item you want to update. Now, look for the AI feature option, which may involve selecting an AI-generated summary. Adjust settings to customize the AI-generated output, focusing on your requirements. Review your entire automation to ensure it meets your expectations. Save the automation by clicking the Create Automation button. Once saved, monitor the first few updates to ensure everything functions smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments based on the initial results. Continuously refine your automation as your project requirements evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.